I'm Christine Catherman, and this is a BAM Mutual Credit Insights video for Public Utility District Number 1 in Whatcom County in Northwest Washington, which is selling approximately $60 million across two series of limited tax general obligation bonds. The bonds will be rated AA with a stable outlook by S&P Global Ratings due to BAM Mutual's guarantee, and carry an underlying rating of AA3 from Moody's Ratings. The proceeds of the bonds will finance capital improvements to its water system, including rebuilding a water treatment plant and refinancing outstanding debt. These bonds are limited tax general obligations of the district and, unless paid from other sources, are secured by the district's ability to levy property taxes to pay for debt service on the bonds. But the district expects to pay debt service from the net income of its utility system. System revenue collections have been stable, and the district's current financial position is healthy. But the district's pledge to levy property taxes to the extent that net income from the utility system is insufficient is important because the utility system serves several large industrial customers, which increases the risk that utility revenue collections could be volatile in the future. BAM's analysis determined that if the district needed to levy taxes to repay the bonds, such levy would be within the district's statutory tax limitation, and the tax rate would remain affordable for residents. The district's underlying economy is also healthy, with stable population and a growing tax base. A BAM pre-sale credit profile for this transaction has been posted to our website. For more information about BAM or our analysis of this credit, please email us at creditinsights@bambonds.com.